seeing the world gently, one path at a time. Somewhere in this world we believe travel can be gentle and deserves to be noticed.
Nestled in the heart of England's Peak District stands a mountain known as Mam Tor, the Mother Hill. Rising 517 meters above sea level, it's a place where nature, history, and geology meet in harmony. Just outside the village of Castleton, Mam Tor has been a beacon for walkers, seekers, and storytellers for thousands of years. The summit ridge offers breathtaking views of the Hope Valley and Edale. On a clear day, even the distant moors stretch out before you like painted silk. The hill gets its name, Mother Hill, from the frequent landslides that have birthed smaller hills at its base, offspring from the ever-shifting earth. Geologically, Mam Tor is unique. Layers of shale and sandstone formed over 320 million years ago, during the Carboniferous period, make up its body. But it is the unstable shale that causes the hill to move. Landslides have been recorded for centuries, most notably in the 1970s, when the A625 road was permanently closed due to repeated collapse. This dynamic geology gives Mam Tor its textured beauty, crumbling edges, soft slopes, and ever-changing paths. For those arriving by car, a National Trust car park is located at the base of the hill on Mam Nick Road. Parking is free for members. From here, it's a short, steep ascent to the summit, rewarded by an uninterrupted panorama. Public transport is also available. Regular trains from Sheffield or Manchester stop at nearby Hope Station, just a 40-minute walk away. Buses from Castleton also serve the area, making this peak as accessible as it is majestic. Today, Mam Tor stands as a symbol of impermanence and resilience, a place where earth breathes, crumbles, and rises again. A hill that moves, but never fades. A short drive north of Mam Tor lies Ladybower Reservoir, a tranquil mirror cradled by rolling hills and heather-covered moors. Among its most peaceful corners is Heatherdene, a popular viewpoint where water, woodland, and walking trails meet. Here, benches line the edges of the reservoir, offering quiet reflection under the watchful eye of Win Hill. Constructed between 1935 and 1945, Ladybower is part of a trio of reservoirs that supply water to nearby cities. Beneath its surface lie the remains of two drowned villages, Ashopton and Derwent, submerged to make way for progress. Heatherdene Car Park, located off the A6013, provides easy access for visitors. It has toilets, picnic spots, and well-marked footpaths. Buses from Sheffield and Bamford also stop nearby, inviting everyone to experience the gentle beauty of this place. As the sun dips low, the reservoir glows gold, holding both the weight of history and the lightness of the present. From the restless ridges of Mam Tor to the still waters of Ladybower, this is the Peak District, ancient, alive, and waiting to be explored.